Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video, I will be sharing with you how I created this makeup look. This look guys is very bronzy and it's perfect for any occasions. So without further ado, let's get started. Starting off by priming my face, I will be using my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. And I'm just going to apply this on my face as a base for my foundation. And for my foundation today guys, I will be using my Maybelline Dream Urban Cover Full Coverage Foundation. This foundation guys has SPF of 50, so it's perfect for hot weather. So I'm just going to apply this on my face. By the way guys, I'm using a soft tan. I'm just using my favorite LA Girl sponge to blend this foundation. I also add second layer on my cheeks because I want to cover some of my blemishes and also some of my pimple marks. And for my concealer guys, I'm using Revlon Colorstay Concealer and I'm just going to apply this under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, on my cupid bow and my chin. And then again, I'm going to blend it using my damp sponge from LA Girl. And then to set my concealer, I'm using a powder. This is from Makeup Revolution and this is a banana powder. So I'm just going to apply it using my damp sponge from LA Girl. And then to set the rest of my face, I'm using my Loreal True Match Press Powder. And I'm just going to apply this using a buffing brush or a fluffy brush. And then for my eyebrows today, I'm using my LA Girl Brow Pomade. This is in the shade Dark Brown. So I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows. This pomade guys is very creamy and it's very easy to use. I highly recommend this to everyone. If you're looking for very affordable but good quality eyebrow pomade, this LA Girl is very good. Next, I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette from Makeup Revolution. This is one of their chocolate palettes. So I'm just taking this shade right here and just apply it as my transition shade. I'm using a fluffy brush to apply my transition shade. And then taking this shade right here, I'm just going to apply it on my outer V and I'm also going to blend it on my crease. And then again, blend it using my brush that I use for my transition shade, so there's no harsh line. And then using my Mario Badescu facial spray, I'm just going to spray a little bit on my brush. And then I'm going to take this shade right here and just apply it on my eyelids. And then going back to the shade that I use for my transition shade, I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line. Next, I'm taking this shade right here and just apply it on my inner corner just to brighten up my eyes. I love doing this because this will make your eyes stand out. And then I'm just going to remove all the fallouts. And then using this pencil liner from NYX, I'm going to apply this on my waterline. And then for my mascara today, I will be using the Mascara Revolution. This mascara guys is really good. It is lengthening and also volumizing. So I really like this mascara. And then to contour my face, I'm using my LA Girl Pro Contour Powder. This is in the shade Medium. So I'm just going to contour my cheekbone, my forehead, my jawline. And I'm also going to contour my nose. For the blush today, I'm using my Milani Baked Blush in the shade Luminoso. This blush guys is really good. It's very light. This is perfect for any skin tone. And then of course my favorite part, my highlighter. So I'm just going to use my Ofra. This is in the shade Rodeo Drive. So I'm just going to highlight my cheeks. I really love this highlighter guys. It's perfect for brown skin tone. And then for the lips, I'm using my L'Oreal Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick Les Chocolat in the shade Truffa Mania. And then finally, I'm going to spray this I Heart Makeup Fixing Spray. And that's it guys for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And don't worry guys, all the products that I used today will be in the description box, so you can always check that out. And thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you again next time. Bye!